For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believeth in him should not perish, but have everlasting life. I want us all to say it together. For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believeth in him should not perish, but have everlasting life.
Good morning, everybody. We are here in Belize, Ilagan City, Isabela. We are here with Parkway Baptist Church. We're going to be doing a week of evangelism and VBS. Check it out.
The deepest the seas and furthest horizons can't even begin.
All right, so we just finished up our evangelism for the morning, going house to house with Sister Dorinda and Pastor Vitan. How's your experience so far?
It's been awesome.
It's been awesome. Pastor Vitan?
Yes,
It's been good. All right. Praise the Lord.
Praise the Lord. Praise the Lord.
We're now back in the Jeep on our way to our DVBS for this afternoon in Barangay Belize. We're going to do a bunch of gospel sharing. I'm here with the crew.
Darkest of days slip right out of focus. No valley of doubts, your death's our devotion. You lay me down in green pastures, so I'll rest beside you.
Alright, so what's going on right now currently is all the groups here behind me and all the way down the road, they're all sharing the gospel through the gospel beads and through the story of Lazarus. So it's really cool to see how all these people here are, even the adults behind me, they're all experiencing the gospel story and experiencing the salvation that Jesus has given for us all. So super awesome. Okay, I'm with Ernie. We're here in Kalamagi and we're doing our fourth and final day of evangelism. Ernie is our driver, the one and only. And with the team here, we're about to go out and do house-to-house evangelism.
Eternal life.
We are now on our last day here in Ilagan City doing evangelism. This is our DVBS and there's just absolutely hundreds of kids and children all around me right now, hearing the gospel, hearing the good news of Jesus Christ. It's just absolutely incredible. God is awesome. This is awesome. Ay, wawala yung mga feet.